So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to search for Epic. And then you should be seeing Epic Games Launcher right here. You want to end the task. So click on Epic Games Launcher and then click on End Task. Anything else to do with Epic Games Launcher, you want to end the task for that as well. So make sure that Epic Games Launcher is not running and is closed. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on this PC. Now you want to find your Windows drive. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on it. Select Program Files. You should be having a folder called Epic Games. You want to delete this folder. Once it's been deleted, go back to your C drive or your Windows drive. You want to open up Program Files x86. Again, you should be having an Epic Games folder here. You want to right click on it and then delete it. Once you do all of that, you want to go to the Epic Games website and you want to re-download the Epic Games launcher. It's then going to start installing and then it should be working for you now.